Hi everyone, Liz Campbell here, the word stylist, and I wanted to talk to you about something very, very cool today that we are doing tomorrow. Now, if you have ever felt like social media is very time consuming, you are not getting the results that you desire from the time and energy that you put into it, maybe you don't have a plan, maybe you are confused on where to start or where to start again if you have had to pivot your business. Maybe you just don't know what to write about. I have the perfect solution for you, and it looks like this: a 5-day content writing SOS challenge. So we are going to get together tomorrow, day one, for the SOS social media content writing challenge, where we will write and plan our content so that it starts to get you more engagement, more interaction, and just better all-round results. Now, the people that come and join us on the challenge, we have had hundreds and hundreds of people do this challenge in the last couple of years, I think it's been. And the kind of results that they get are around more followers. So Gay, one of our challenges, she got 300 new followers in a month just by doing very organic, natural social media content writing and posting. There's no ads involved. There's no boosting posts unless you want to. This is all just stuff that we do myself in my business, and also for our clients in Wow School Global, and also for our content writing, EC writing services clients. But my friends, it looks like we will be getting started tomorrow with our plan. So we always start with a plan. I follow a 5-step strategy when it comes to content writing, and it starts actually with a plan, with a strategy. We work out then like style, personality, types of posts, types of content. Next is around storytelling. Of course, then we work out your structures, and I give you a whole bunch of templates that you can use now in the challenge, but also outside of the challenge. They are there for you forever. There are 5 of those, one for each day of the challenge. Also, then we have a little chat around sales, because sales is the last step of my 5-step content writing success framework. And the reason why it's there is simply because we're in business. And if you're in business, you won't survive without sales. Now, I know that people don't like that word, so let's call it something else. Let's just call it a conversation. So how do you have a conversation through your content so that it fetches you more leads, sales, and clients at the other end? I'm going to show you how to do that really organically, really beautifully, really elegantly throughout your content, so that it doesn't feel icky, it doesn't feel annoying, it doesn't feel salesy. You just feel really good about what you are putting out there. So that's what we're doing. Starting tomorrow, we're going to plan, we're going to write, we're going to engage, and we are going to put our content out there and give it the best chance of getting you the very best results and your desired outcome. Some of the things that people have said about it is around how they love that it's so organized, that content just doesn't take as much time anymore. They know exactly what to do when they sit down at their computer. There's no blank screen happening, and you know what to write about. And that makes content very easy. And content should actually be really, really easy. So my friends, if you are having trouble with your content and your social media, come and join me on our 5-day SOS content writing challenge. It's starting tomorrow at 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time with me, your host, Liz Campbell. And I'm going to teach you everything I know about getting results through your content, and specifically social media. So you have a fantastic day. Go and sign up on the link in the status update and in the comment, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Bye for now.